Hey guys, welcome to Login Yono. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Yono SBI bank account online on your computer, and now it's dive right in. Now to log into your Yono SBI bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address onlinesbi.sbi, hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of SBI. Now in order to log into your account, you can see there are two types of login. One is the personal banking and one is the Yono SBI. Now in order to log into your SBI, now in order to proceed to log into the Yono SBI bank account, first choose your account category, that is by clicking on the drop down menu over here. Either your account is a corporate one, supply chain finance, or Yono business one. We will be logging into the Yono business account. So to do that, after choosing your account category, click on the login button available over here. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter the user ID of your Yono SBI account, and that is your password over here guys. And after entering your password, fill the captcha over here in order to verify that you're a human, or fill exactly what's entered or what's written over here on the captcha in order to process that you're a human. And with that being said and done guys, after entering your user ID and your password and your captcha, again let's put the captcha. After entering your captcha guys, after entering your user ID, password and your captcha, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your SBI account. And here guys, this is how you log into your SBI bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.